In Python, how do I convert all of the items in a list to floats? I have a script which reads a text file, pulls decimal numbers out of it as strings and places them into a list. So I have this list. How do I convert each of the values in the list from a string to a float? I have tried, but this doesn't seem to work for me.
To be precise, it creates a new list with float values. Unlike the map approach, it will work in Payek.
Map float, mylist, should do it. In Python 3, map ceases to return a list object, so if you want a new list and not just something to iterate over, you either need list map float, mylist, or use Silent Ghost's answer, which arguably is more Pythonic.
This would be another method, without using any loop.
Float item do the right thing, it converts its argument to float and then return it, but it doesn't change argument in place. A simple fix for your code is the same code can written shorter using list comprehension, new underscore list equals, float I for I in list. To change list in place. BTW. Avoid using list for your variables, since it masquerades built-in function with the same name.
If you want to, please consider